You're about to see a garden that looks like it cost a fortune to build. Clean stone details, soft lighting under the trees, lush containers that look professionally styled. Every corner feels intentional, layered, and calm. But here's the truth. The secret behind this entire space isn't a big budget, it's creativity. Every single upgrade you're about to see started with something simple, affordable, and completely overlooked. Today I'm showing you how to turn ordinary dollar store finds into high-impact garden upgrades that will completely change how your space looks and functions in 2026. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening. If you love smart ideas, practical upgrades, and making your garden look high-end without spending high-end money, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I love seeing how this community stretches across different climates and growing zones around the world. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next set of timeless budget-friendly ideas that can transform your garden season after season. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. The stone drainage tray. This one is simple, but the visual impact is immediate. Take a plastic boot tray, or any shallow rectangular bin, and fill it with smooth river stones. Then place your potted plants directly on top of the stones. Instead of seeing plastic saucers and water stains, you get a clean layered base that instantly makes your containers look styled and intentional. It creates that calm high-end look you often see in modern courtyard gardens, where even the smallest details feel curated. But this isn't just about looks. When you water your plants, the excess drains into the tray and settles beneath the stones. As it slowly evaporates, it increases humidity around the plant, which is especially helpful for moisture-loving varieties. At the same time, it prevents water rings on wood decks, patios, or outdoor furniture. It's practical, protective, and beautiful all at once, proving that sometimes the smartest upgrades are also the simplest. Hack number 2. The instant rain chain. Instead of letting rainwater rush down a plain plastic downspout, you can turn it into one of the most calming features in your entire garden. All you need are several mini terracotta pots and a length of sturdy twine or decorative chain. Thread the chain through the drainage holes of each pot, securing them so they cascade downward in a gentle vertical line. Once hung from a gutter or a strong tree branch, the transformation is immediate. What used to be a harsh stream of runoff becomes a soft, controlled flow of water that moves from pot to pot in a steady, graceful rhythm. Visually, it adds height and character to your space, drawing the eye upward and creating a handcrafted focal point that feels thoughtful rather than improvised. What truly makes this hack powerful is the atmosphere it creates during rainfall. Instead of noise and splash, you get a subtle musical trickle as water taps against clay and flows downward in a visible stream. It feels peaceful, almost meditative, turning even a stormy day into something beautiful to watch and listen to. Beyond aesthetics, it also helps guide water away from foundations in a controlled manner while doubling as garden art. It's functional drainage disguised as design, and it proves that even something as ordinary as rainwater can become part of the experience when you approach gardening with creativity instead of cost. Hack number 3. Upside-down tomato, hanging gardens. This is one of those ideas that feels bold at first, but once you see it in action, it makes perfect sense. Take a sturdy plastic waste basket or a flexible tub-style bin and cut a small hole, about 2 inches wide, in the bottom. Gently guide a young tomato seedling through the hole so the roots stay inside the container while the leafy top hangs downward. Then fill the container with quality soil, secure it to a strong hook, and let gravity do the rest. Instead of sprawling across the ground, your tomato plant now grows vertically, fruit dangling cleanly in the open air. The real advantage here goes beyond saving space. Because the plant isn't sitting in garden soil, you significantly reduce the risk of soil-borne diseases. Air circulation improves naturally, which helps keep foliage dry and healthier overall. The fruit stays off the ground, away from slugs and crawling pests, and harvesting becomes easier since everything hangs at eye level. It also adds unexpected visual interest to your porch or patio. What used to be a standard vegetable plant suddenly becomes a conversation piece that's productive and decorative at the same time. Hack number 4. Organizing with a garden belt. Most people buy a heavy-duty tool apron and wear it while they work. But here's the smarter move. Instead of strapping it on, attach it permanently to your garden cart, raised bed, or fence post, using zip ties or strong hooks. Instantly you've created a fixed command center right where you actually work. Every pocket now has a purpose. Pruners in one slot, seed packets in another, plant tags, gloves, even your phone tucked safely within reach. No more setting tools down in the grass and forgetting where you left them 5 minutes later. What makes this hack powerful is how much time and frustration it eliminates. Gardening flows better when your essentials are always in the same place. You're not walking back and forth to the shed. You're not interrupting your rhythm. Everything you need moves with your workspace, or stays mounted exactly where you need it most. It turns a simple apron into a weather-resistant organization system that makes your entire routine smoother and more efficient every time you step outside. Hack number 5. The Muffin Tin Seed Spacer. This is one of the simplest tricks you'll ever use, and it delivers surprisingly professional results. Take a standard 12-cup metal muffin tin and press it firmly into freshly raked level soil. Apply even pressure so each cup leaves a clear, defined impression. When you lift it up, you're left with perfectly spaced planting holes that are uniform in depth and distance. Instead of guessing spacing or using a ruler and string lines, you instantly create a clean grid that looks intentional and beautifully organized. The real magic is in the consistency. Each indentation is evenly spaced, which promotes proper airflow and root development while preventing overcrowding. It works especially well for crops like lettuce, spinach, radishes, or onions, where symmetry makes harvesting easier and beds look polished rather than scattered. If you're aiming for that classic kitchen garden or French-inspired potager look, this hack gives you structure without extra tools or complicated measurements. It's fast, repeatable, and incredibly satisfying to see those neat rows take shape in seconds. Hack number 6. The Copper Alternative Slug Barrier. Slugs can undo weeks of growth overnight, especially when it comes to tender plants like hostas, lettuce, and young seedlings. Instead of investing in expensive copper tape or scattering chemical pellets around your beds, you can use something far more accessible. Wrap a band of aluminum foil or metallic silver duct tape around the rim of your pots, making sure it forms a continuous ring. The surface should be smooth and firmly secured, so it doesn't peel away with watering or wind. What makes this work is the texture and sensation slugs experience when crossing metallic surfaces. They tend to avoid it, which means your plants get protection without toxins, traps, or constant reapplication. It's a cleaner, more controlled solution that aligns with a low-chemical gardening approach. Visually, it's subtle enough not to distract from your containers, yet effective enough to keep foliage looking full and untouched. Sometimes the smartest defense isn't complicated at all. It's just understanding how small adjustments can shift the balance in your garden's favor. Hack number 7. The Living Bird Bath. This hack turns a basic garden accessory into something far more intentional. Start with a large plastic serving bowl and place it securely on top of a sturdy plant stand. Once it's stable, line the shallow edges with decorative glass gems. In the center, plant a small drought-tolerant succulent like a pincushion variety. The result is more than just a water feature. It becomes a layered focal point that blends structure, texture, and life into one compact design. Functionally, the glass gems create safe landing spots for bees and other pollinators, allowing them to drink without the risk of drowning. The succulent adds a sculptural element that keeps the bath visually interesting, even when birds aren't visiting. Instead of a plain bowl of water sitting in the yard, you now have a feature that supports wildlife while enhancing your garden's aesthetic. It feels thoughtful, balanced, and timeless, all created from simple, affordable materials used in a smarter way. Hack number 8. The Organza Bag Fruit Guard. When fruit starts to develop, that's when the real battle begins. Birds notice. Squirrels get curious. Insects move in fast. Instead of draping your entire tree or vine in bulky plastic netting, slip a small drawstring organza bag directly over each developing fruit. Grapes, peaches, figs, even large tomatoes can be individually protected. Once the bag is in place, gently pull the drawstring tight around the stem, so it stays secure without damaging the plant. What makes this method so effective is that it protects without suffocating. The lightweight mesh allows sunlight and airflow to pass through, so the fruit continues to ripen naturally. At the same time, it forms a physical barrier that keeps pests from reaching it. Visually, it's much cleaner than covering an entire plant, and it gives you targeted control over your harvest. Instead of losing half your crop, you safeguard the best fruit one piece at a time, keeping your garden productive and beautifully maintained. Hack number 9. Solar lantern moonlight trees. Transforming your garden after sunset doesn't have to involve complicated wiring or expensive landscape lighting. Instead, take standard solar stake lights, remove the plastic stakes, and use jute twine to tie the light heads to the undersides of tree branches. Position them strategically so that the glow filters downward, casting soft, dappled illumination across foliage and flower beds. The effect is subtle, ethereal, and completely different from typical garden lighting that blasts brightness from the ground up. Your trees suddenly become living chandeliers, and the garden takes on an entirely new nighttime personality. Beyond the beauty, this hack creates ambiance and depth that makes outdoor spaces feel larger and more intimate at the same time. Shadows play across the ground in a soft, natural way, highlighting textures, plants and pathways without overpowering the senses. Guests won't just see your garden, they'll experience it, walking through a space that feels designed for serenity and wonder. And because the lights are solar-powered, there's zero ongoing cost, no complex wiring, and no risk of electrical hazards. This one simple adjustment turns ordinary garden trees into a dramatic professional-looking feature, elevating your outdoor space for both everyday enjoyment and special evening gatherings. Hack number 10. The deep root pitcher feeder. For plants that are heavy feeders, like squash, melons, or large tomatoes, watering from above often wastes water and encourages leaf diseases. Instead, grab a plastic water pitcher with a lid and drill several small holes in the bottom half. Bury the pitcher up to its neck next to the base of the plant, leaving the top exposed. When you pour water or liquid fertilizer into it, the liquid flows directly to the root zone, where the plant needs it most. The lid keeps debris and mosquitoes out while minimizing evaporation, making it a more efficient and targeted watering solution. This hack not only saves water but also encourages stronger, healthier growth. Roots dive deep to access the concentrated moisture, improving overall resilience and reducing the risk of mildew from wet leaves. Unlike traditional watering methods, which can sometimes flood the surface and wash nutrients away, the pitcher feeder delivers hydration and nourishment exactly where it's needed. It's a simple, cost-effective system that can make a huge difference in plant performance, all while looking neat, unobtrusive, and completely manageable. Even the largest thirsty plants can thrive without constant monitoring or wasteful overhead watering. And there you have it, 10 simple, affordable, and surprisingly powerful hacks that transform ordinary dollar store items into garden game changers. From turning a boot tray into a humidity-enhancing display, to hanging tomato plants upside down for cleaner growth, to creating magical moonlit trees with solar lights, each hack proves that creativity is more important than cost. Gardening isn't about having the fanciest tools or spending a fortune. It's about seeing possibilities, experimenting with everyday items, and making your space both functional and beautiful. These ideas give you the freedom to mix practicality with artistry, so every corner of your garden feels intentional, lived in, and timeless. Now it's your turn. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Will it be the elegant rain chain that transforms rainfall into music, the Muffin tin seed grid that makes planting precise and effortless, or the deep root pitcher feeder that nourishes thirsty plants straight to the roots? I want to hear where your creativity takes you. So drop a comment below and share your plans. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to Timeless Gardening to keep discovering more ways to grow beautifully, efficiently, and with a touch of imagination every season. Keep experimenting, keep innovating, and most of all, keep enjoying the timeless art of gardening.